How to fix Capital One Bank app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Capital One Bank app not working issue. If your Capital One Bank app isn't working, then you can try the simple steps to resolve your issue. So first of all, you need to ensure that your internet connection is working well. You may also switch it to data cellular and check if the issue still persists. Also, make sure the app is up to date. You can go to the Play Store of your device, and once it opens, tap on the search bar at the top and there search for Capital One Bank. Once you search for it, you will be presented with the search results. Here find the authentic Capital One Bank app. Once you find it, tap on the icon to open it. Once you open it, here in this interface, if you found Update button at the right side, then your application needs update. You just simply have to tap on the Update button located at the right side and then start the update process. But if you find Open button instead of Update, then that means your app is already up to date. Now, if your app is already up to date and you're still facing this issue, then you may need to clear the cache of your device. For that, you need to go to the device settings, and once you open the settings, here you need to find apps option. This exact step may be different in other mobile devices. If you have any trouble finding the specific setting option, then you can also tap on the search bar at the top and there type in applications. Now once you find the applications, tap on it to open it. You may also need to tap on App Manager in some of the devices. Once doing that, now you will be taken to the page where you will find all the applications installed on your device. You need to find Capital One Bank app. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. And under it, you will find Internal Storage option. Tap on Internal Storage. And here finally you will find Clear Cache option. Go ahead and tap on this Clear Cache in order to remove or clear the cache of your device. Now after doing that, check if the issue still persists. If your Capital One Bank isn't working still, then you may need to uninstall the application and then reinstall it again. For that, you can tap on this Uninstall button at the top right from this page and confirm it by tapping on OK. Once doing that, it will get installed from your device. Now you will need to go to the Play Store of your device to find that application. And once you find that app, tap on the Install button located below the app to start the installation process. Now after successful installation of this application, go ahead and restart your mobile device and then log into your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix your Capital One Bank application not working issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.